Good morning, everyone. And today, July 5th, 2022, on Tuesday. Good morning, other trader again. And it's called July Starts with a Bang. So, from Omaha, Nebraska, USA, we do the stock reporting. So, we can tell it's US dollars up. It's not very perfect, but it's okay. It's a little tiny moving. So energy is kept up a little bit, but slowly went down 108. It's financial power up 7 ticks, so indicate lower. I mean, today the stock is going to be lower a little bit, but after 2. They start to get a little change. So we can tell the best one is this. LRCX, KLAC. It dropped around 10% for today. It's 7.3, but in about information technology is getting, that's a little. So in medical care is mRNA is gained a little higher compared with another team, especially in healthcare and finance. Like we can tell of like US Bank, Pinnacle Bank, Wells Fargo, and low insurance like Allstate. And specialty like BBWI and like travel is CCL, though will gain up a little bit. Right now it's really good to buy the airline and travel companies because they're going to be jump really good in the middle of July. Like till August. It's all the travel company. We make really good money, and of course we are a good investor and smart investor. We have to go a little in front. It's right now is red. We keep buying it. Buying the dip, and the best way we can make money in general. So semiconductor chips or semiconductor industry. This industry is the most hottest right now because everything we use, even the computer, cell phone, the remote control, a lot of technology, we need the semiconductor chips. So a lot of big companies like Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, the credit card like Visa, Morgan Bank, this Wells Fargo, those stuff. Those companies have to move really good today because financial down and the Federal increased the interest higher. That means the bank make more money. The bank always make more money. It doesn't matter what's going on down there. And especially when tell a little more in Tesla, but about 680 so much right now, still 60 so much, little drop. So we can sell around 700 or like 690 for Tesla, and Amazon keep them around under 105 to 103. You can make money and you can sell it around 710. I mean around over $5 for a stock over $100. That's just like around 5%. AMD right now 70 some. You can make sure. Remember all the micro company right now, it just dropped down a little bit. You have to keep them around $70, even though to $65 today. That'd be good, and you can save a little around $80 just later on. So the first stock we're going to take a look for today is GOEV. It's Kano. Keep them around 180, and you can sell 190 to $2. So this company makes money easier because the price is pretty good right now. If you can check in 1 year, that's how much it costs, and right now how much you can buy. So highest one we can see right now is like before it's $13. Right now is lowest one is 1.78 and now 1.90. That's in the V zone. Is the V line is really low already, and it move around 185 to 193, and you can range them around 180, 185, and we can sell it 190, 192, 185. Yeah, that's good amount. So anyway, because the V1 of the stock, it's really cheap, and we can add many shares to get many orders. Remember, buy like 100 shares for each order or 500 shares for each order. They have you increase lower the risk and increase the interest. And everyone know Amazon last week around 105, 103, and right now it's 109, 108. Even though when they hit to near 110, in a couple weeks you still make some money for it. And the bigger one we can tell is 1.6 million people work for Amazon and in Seattle, Washington. And $1.11 trillion, that's the cap. When they hit $2 trillion, and you need to know exactly $1 trillion company always make profits more than 2,000 times with the billion company. Yeah, this number is really scary, but it's around 500 to 2,000 times compared with each other, because when they hold $1 trillion cap, it's not about whole company cost. The whole company cost will more than $10 trillion. But anyway, watch out for Amazon. And the third company we're going to take a look for today is FFIE, Federal Future Intelligent Electric. So FFIE is not that new, but it's still not too old. So $1.07 billion is the cap, and highest one is $17, and lowest one is $1.65, and right now it costs $3 something. And daily rotation is 2.5 to 3.5, 3.58. Has been moving around $1. Has been like around 30% up that stock. Let's say highest one is $3 something, and $3 we can chop them 3 pieces, and it's around 30%. That's pretty good stock to move, to wash out. And if you want to buy it from 3 whatever the V1 right now, just buy like 100 shares, don't want anything. Just set them down lower and lower. But the share, when you buy much lower and this much more, because let's say you got like 100 share on 350, and you get 1,000 shares, $3. Let's say that. And till they drop back to $3, And after that, a gain of like 320, you still make really pretty good money with your good AVG with smart point. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful day and see you guys tomorrow.